Hi everyone, welcome back to Story Time with me Meher Gehi. Today I bring to you a story from the land of China. A long time ago, in a Chinese countryside, there lived a farmer named Mr. Wong. Now this neighborhood was a small village and every person here knew everyone else. Farmer Wong was very famous too. Well, not for the rich, creamy milk that his cows gave, not even for the delicious eggs that were given by his hens, not even for the juicy, ripe tomatoes that came from his farm, but for his most prized possession, a magnificent, strong, black stallion. Now, this stallion was not just a showpiece. He was a perfect vehicle for Farmer Wong's trips to and fro the market. One fine summer morning, when Farmer Wong was in his farm, he noticed that his black stallion was missing. He looked everywhere but couldn't find him. Just then, few of the villagers came running and calling to him and said, Farmer Wong, Farmer Wong, we saw your horse just gallop away. We tried to stop him, but he sped away so fast. Another villager added, Yes, Mr. Wong, we know he was indeed your treasure. We're so sorry for this, Mr. Wong. This is so unfortunate. Farmer Wong simply said, maybe, and went on to do his daily chores like any other day. After a week, Farmer Wong heard some noise when he was milking his cows. He came out and saw that his black stallion was back. In fact, he had also got along some 5 more wild horses. Some villagers in the neighborhood came and they said, Congratulations, Mr. Wong. What a great turn of events. This is so fortunate. Your stallion is back. Moreover, now you have 5 more horses to help you in the farm. What a good fortune. Farmer Wong simply said, maybe, and went back to milking his cows. The next day, Farmer Wong's son was trying to tame one of the wild horses. He was riding it and going and he didn't realize this wild horse sped so fast and galloped so fast that Farmer Wong's son flew up in the air and crash landed on the ground with a big bad thud. His one leg was broken. The villagers heard this news and came to see Farmer Wong's son. They all told him, Oh, Farmer Wong, we are so sorry for your son's broken leg. This is so unfortunate. What a misfortune. And what do you think Farmer Wong said? Maybe. Now, after 3 days in this village, some recruitment officers came for conscription. So basically, conscription is a process where when a country needs people for fighting in the army and there aren't enough volunteers, they start a process called conscription, wherein they have to go and recruit any able or fit person. That person cannot deny or cannot opt out. They have to serve the country. So this is what happened. In this village, recruitment officers came for conscription and a lot of young boys who were able and fit were recruited. But Mr. Wong's son was not, as he was not considered eligible. A lot of boys had to get recruited even if it was against their wishes. Now after this, a lot of villagers who sons had got recruited came to Farmer Wong and said, Farmer Wong, you're so lucky. Your son is spared. You are so fortunate. And what do you think Farmer Wong told them? Maybe. I would like to leave you here with the story to think and ponder. One may never know the consequence of a good fortune, nor one may know the consequence of a bad fortune. And when I heard the story, I recollected an old classic song. When I was just a little girl, I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? Here's what she said to me. Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera. What will be,